Hi guys, good to see you. Today is a big day. I'm waiting for my friend Javier. He's supposed to come like in the next 5-10 minutes. And today I will start painting his motorcycle, his sport bike for the track. That's interesting. It's kind of freedom of art, supposed to be for me. I just have 3 tasks from him. The first one, it's supposed to match his suit color, the protection motorcycle suit. The second one, he wants me to do 2 Oni masks, each one on each of the side. And the third one, it should looks cool.
Hello there!
What's up? Woo!
It's a little project, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, how are you?
How's it going?
Where is the tank?
Everything's... Oh no, the tank I'm doing. Because the tank I have to wrap it. I'd rather have a wrap that I can just change easily.
Okay, I'll keep in mind. What color is going to be?
It's gonna be like metallic. Metallic black.
Metallic black. Okay.
So no black, it's like metallic black.
This one, yeah? This one. Perfect.
Here.
The front one?
From the front of the tank.
Yeah.
This one, I want to keep pretty much all that color. Maybe just add like a couple lines here. In the sides, maybe. It's up to you. You have full range.
Cool. Javier, what we doing with that one?
Which one?
That's correct.
It doesn't matter, you know.
You sure?
Yeah, don't worry about that. Most of the time, you just see that
bro.
big part of it, right? The same thing for any of the turns. Like in here, let's see. Right, you see, like this is the main thing, and the other side too.
Makes sense.
Yeah, so it's up to you which one.
So, okay, even better, because I can play with the real relief over here and make the geometric stripes, whatever. Dynamic lines, and here's the
Big design, right?
flat space from your faces.
Red, blue, and this. And then you can add whatever you want.
Yes, sir.
Very nice! Let's see this. Very nice!
Сейчас. Ну-ка, давай так сделаем. Если вроде запечь.
Hasta la vista.
salute. So I'm done. Like you saw, I did the 2 different faces. It was his choice. Both of them it's Oni mask, and I kept the same color palette. So we keep matching the racing suit. We keep matching the color palette for Oni masks. So, and after everything, I decided to cover the bike and painting with the matte effect varnish. So it's gonna help to see better the image, especially in the daytime when he's leaning on the corners, right, on the racing. He's gonna show exactly that part. It's gonna be on the video and pictures, and it's not gonna have like extra highlights or any reflections. So hope it's gonna work. It's drying. Javier gonna come in the next 2 hours. He asked me about the pictures, but I did not send him. I want to see his real face and real reaction. Okay, let's wait for him. Come in.
Come in. Camera, motor, ready. We should close it.
Right here?
Couple steps forward.
Couple steps. Okay, from here. Oh, my knees. Dude! That's so fucking sick! The other one's the skull? Is it on the other side? What did you do? What did you do? Okay, show it.
Still sticky?
No. Oh wait, let me see this part. What's this? Oh, there we go. Nice. That's fucking
Details.
cool. Nice. I love it.
There is no other chance for you. We're recording already.
Wow.
Yeah, dude, it looks so nice.
Oh, bro, I tried to play with the real
Yeah.
relief and also add some other shapes.
Yeah, it looks so aggressive. It's better than I thought.
Like that? They move.
Yeah. They look very realistic, honestly. Yeah.
Few words. It's enough.
I'm drowning.